Now, like I say in all my other videos, I want you guys to know I don't have any ties to any of these companies. If you like these videos, hit that thumbs up. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. The more people that know about this channel, the better decision people can make before they go out and buy these products. Now, today we're gonna talk about sports wireless earbuds. Pro number one. These earbuds have a silicone hook instead of a plastic hard hook. Now, the purpose of the silicone is so when you put these earbuds on, you can slide these on and adjust them, and you don't have to worry about them being hard and breaking, and they slide right over your ear. Now, pro number two. You can connect these to two devices at the same time. Now, after reading some of the reviews, I saw people saying that you cannot do it, but let me tell you, I'm going to show you right here that I have this connected to my MacBook, and I also have these connected to my phone. Now, you're probably wondering why would you want to do that, but the purpose is if I'm watching a movie or a video and I have these connected to my phone, I can take calls while I'm listening to those devices. And the reason I'm showing you this is because I want it to be the myth buster for those claims that people were making. Now, pro number three, pairing these was pretty simple. From the off position, you want to hold the right earbud and hold the button down until you see the lights blinking red and blue really fast. Once you see the lights blinking red and blue really fast, that means that your earbuds are now in pairing position. Here, I'm gonna use my phone just so you can see when it pops up, and then when it pops up, you simply just hit on it, and just like that, they're connected. Now, pro number four. These are super simple, and that's something I love, especially when I'm using these just to go work out, exercise, or running. These have a volume up, a volume down, fast forward, a rewind, and then they have a power on, power off button. For me, that's all I need when I'm doing those activities. Battery life on these headphones is awesome. It takes around an hour or an hour and a half to give these a full charge. I was able to get around 6 or 7 hours when I was playing these at mid to medium range. Now, when I turned them all the way up, I probably got around 4 to 4.5 hours on a full charge. Pro number six, the sound quality. The sound quality on these earbuds is really good. Are they eardrum blowing loud? No. But are they perfect for working out and hiking and doing things like that? Yes. The bass, the highs and the lows are really good, and for the price, they're perfect. The price of these earbuds is $19.99. Now, for $20 to give me all of those pros, that probably explains why I've been using these for almost 8 months. Now, you guys know me. My videos wouldn't be the same if I didn't give you the cons. Con number one, you can connect these to two devices. But one thing that I noticed, and pay attention here because a lot of comments that I get is on this particular question. When I had this connected to my MacBook and to my phone, when I would play videos or watch something on the MacBook utilizing these earbuds, there was a delay between the voice from the actual computer or TV to the voice coming out of the earbuds. But when I had these hooked up just to my television by itself or just to my MacBook by itself, it played back flawlessly. So take note if you decide to get these earbuds. Con number two, the call quality was not that great. Even with the 6.0 noise cancellation, when I was talking to people either running or outside exercising or sitting in a room with no sound in the background whatsoever, every person that I talked to said that I sounded like I was far away. Con number three, when I was utilizing these, I would just try to hit the button like this as it says to accept a call, but by doing that, it would sometimes disconnect the earbuds and then I would have to answer the phone from my phone. Now, with all those pros and all the cons, I want you guys to know I definitely give these a thumbs up, of course, because I've been using these for almost 8 months and I use these daily. Now, like I do in all my videos, I'm gonna put a description below so you can check these out for yourself. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. The more people that know about this channel, the better decision people can make before they go out and buy these products. Again, this has been another production from OndaWire. I'm out.